back in 1984. Now, he did the isolation of DNA, or he studied the number repetitions of the nucleotide base pairs. So that in turn he called it as VNTRS. That is variable number tandem repeats. He called this as variable number tandem repeats. They were repeated, correct? Since they were repeated, we could identify it. Now, how he did was the steps involved in it. Steps involved in DNA fingerprinting. The first one was, I told you, isolation of the DNA. The first step was isolation of DNA. In this, the cells or the tissues, like blood. In that also, be careful, I'm telling you, RBC is no way concerned. RBC, no way concerned, because nucleus is absent. Nucleus is absent in RBC. Hence, RBC अपने काम का नहीं है. Blood में बाकी का सब अपन ले सकते हैं. That is WBC, platelets, etc. We can collect that, but RBC is of no use for us. And hair follicle, skin can be taken. You are isolating these things. अभी मेरा DNA टेस्ट करने का किसी को तो क्या करेंगे? कहीं से तो भी चुपचाप से लेने का, तो मेरा किधर बाल गिरेगा तो उसको लेके जाएंगे. A few hair they collect and go and give it for the testing. Correct? Or a person will purposely try to fight with me and scratch, give a scratch to my skin, collect their skin and give it for DNA fingerprinting. Correct? Or as a person may hurt me, some blood will come out, collect that blood and give for DNA fingerprinting. Because in that blood, it's not only RBC. Along with RBC, there are WBCs and platelets also. तो उनका काम हो जाता है. So these are the things wherein you are going to isolate the DNA. That is the first step. The second step, since you have given it to the lab, now what the lab people will do? The lab people are going to use the enzyme called as restriction enzyme. Restriction enzyme now will play a role. What is the role of this restriction enzyme? Restriction enzyme is added upon this particular isolated DNA. So isolated DNA is treated with your restriction enzyme. So the DNA got cut. My dear, isolate अभी बताया ना मैं, you collecting the blood sample, hair follicle, skin, scratch वगैरह. तो उसमें से DNA अभी तक माइनस नहीं किया, अभी तक DNA है, वो टिश्यू के साथ में है. वो टिश्यू के ऊपर ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम एक्ट करेगा. And then it is going to cut the DNA, my dear. Mohammed, have you got it? Okay, ठीक है. Isolated DNA is treated with restriction enzyme so that the DNA is cut into small fragments. Having variable lengths, maybe 10, maybe 20 nucleotide base pairs, whatever you consider. This phenomena, you call it as RFLP. That is nothing but restriction fragment length polymorphism. This phenomenon you call it as restriction fragment length polymorphism. Now what I had done was, I had supposing the skin part. Supposing this is the skin tissue. This skin tissue was acted upon by means of restriction enzyme. This restriction enzyme is going to cut the DNA. The DNA will be cut into small fragments, and that in turn we had called it as RFLP, that is restriction fragment length polymorphism. Now, when they are cut into the small fragments, what we will do is, before we go further, I'll just draw this and again come back to this page. I have got, supposing somebody has raped me, so this is mine DNA fragment. Correct? This is my DNA fragment. This is one particular step or one particular nucleotide base pair. This could be the second one. This could be the third one. Then this is the fourth one. This could be the fifth one. Sixth. Then 7. 8. 9. Okay, this is mine. They have registered it. What they did was, they had taken a big plate. This plate was added to the electrodes, and this plate is having some gel on it. They kept my tissue over here, and they allowed the current to pass through it. When the current is passing through it, the bands are getting separated. You all have done last year paper chromatography, correct or no? Practical?
Yes, ma'am.
Plant pigments. So you all have seen that paper strip was kept in a large test tube, which was having a rubber cork, which was split, and inside which filter paper was hanging. At one end, it was having a wick. There we had loaded with the chlorophyll pigment. That is the extract of the spinach leaf. Correct or no? We had loaded over here. 3-4 बार उसको loading किया, सुखाया, loading किया, सुखाया, loading किया, सुखाया. And then we had kept this paper strip hanging in a test tube bearing the solvent system. Correct? That was the spectrometer and benzene. As the solvent was passing through this spot, it went on separating the chlorophyll pigments. Correct? Yes or no? You all had seen this way the bands? Yes or no? Have you all seen the bands or no? I know the result, it is not result oriented. Some of the colleagues must have done with a sketch pen only. I can understand that also. But then they have explained here, when the system or the solvent system is passing through the spot, it is separating the chlorophyll pigments. The same way, this my tissue, maybe blood sample, maybe hair follicle, whatever it is, has been collected and kept over here on a gel for electrophoresis, and to which the current is passed. What happens is, as the current is passing, it is going on separating the nitrogen base pairs, which you can see over here. Correct? This is mine. Now we are going to have another 3 persons, X, Y, Z. Before going to that, let's proceed with what is first gel electrophoresis. Let's proceed with gel electrophoresis ka statement, because that thing has come to us, so we should know first what is it. Coming to the next one, that is gel electrophoresis. This gel electrophoresis is dealing with what? The DNA samples are loaded. We are doing the loading of DNA samples. At present, I just loaded mine, correct or no? We are doing the loading of DNA samples and on the gel electrophoresis. And this gel electrophoresis is made up of agrosol gel. Agrosol, agros gel. Under the influence of electric current. I told you all the statements earlier. I have loaded my spot. Then the DNA fragments. On this, the DNA fragments which are negatively charged move to the positive pole. Because as per the charge, it is going towards, or it is going from the starting point towards the upper end. The movement of these fragments, the movement of the fragments depend upon the length of the fragments. If you have taken 20 base pairs, तो आपको वो 20 base pairs का picture आना चाहिए. If you have taken 30 base pairs, तो आपको 30 base pairs का picture आना चाहिए. If you have taken 10 base pairs, आपको 10 base pairs का picture आना चाहिए. तो जितना उसका length लिया है, उतना ही वो दिखाएगा. That's the reason why whatever you have taken, that you will get. This results in the formation of bands. Which you can see we have done it on one we have done it yet. Correct? This results in the formation of bands. DNA double strands splits. We have double stranded DNA that is splitting into single stranded DNA by treating it with alkali. Because you have to see completely what is happening. For that reason, you have to split the DNA. Now the test which is called over here is nothing but the Southern bolting test. Now the Southern bolting test is involved in it. ये separation होने के बाद में now I have taken X, Y, Z. Supposing I have taken 3 other persons. Third person maybe I am taking it this way. You can say 1 second. This is second person. This is third person. And this is the fourth. Can you see something now? Some similarities somewhere. Okay, can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're considering first one, if you're considering first, second, third, and fourth. See, first one, it is a pencil. Here it is red. Here it is pen. So first one a name match होगा रहने दो. First is not matching. Take the second one. Here it is red. Here it is red. Here it is blue. नहीं, it is not matching. Take the third one, blue. Here it is red. नहीं, it's not matching. Here it is matching, blue. नहीं, but it is on the top, not matching. Then you have taken the pencil one. Thick pencil band. Thick pencil band. I have not drawn it over here. No? 1 second. Just to make you all understand how to draw. See the thick pencil band. Is it matching? Here. It is there. Here it is not there. Here it is there. First point it is matching. Next is green. Pencil band के नीचे तो green है नहीं, इधर भी नहीं matching है, इधर matching है. It is matching with X, Y. I am writing it. Otherwise it is not matching. Correct? This is not matching. These four are not matching at all. Correct? This is matching with Y. Then the brown line. Here it is blue line. No. Brown line, here it is matching. It is matching with Y. Then red line, double one. Here it is not there. Here it is there. Last line it is not there. So it is matching with Y. Then wavy line pencil. Wavy line pencil. It is not there. Here it is there. Correct? So it is matching with Y. Purple line. Purple line is matching. Not matching. Correct? So out of that, how many we have taken is 10. Out of this 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are repeat or matching.
Ma'am, these colorful lines are layer of skin or what?
No, they are not the layers of the skin.
DNA.
DNA.
Okay.
ये DNA है. पूरा ये है. My DNA जो culprit है जिसके ऊपर शक पड़ा है, suspicious हुआ है, उनका DNA एक जन का, ये दूसरे जन का, ये तीसरे जन का. Correct? The culprits. A person has raped me. Supposing a person has raped me, I say X, Y, Z must be there. There were 3 or 4 of them. I don't know who has done it because they gave me something to drink and all that. I don't know. But then simultaneously, जो शक के दायरे में आए, those who were suspected, उनका सबका DNA sample collect किया. पहले suspicion basis पे हम लोग क्या fingerprint collect करते थे. अभी ये लोग ने suspicious basis पे DNA collect किया है. And that DNA का test, वो जब DNA का testing किया, तो X और Z नहीं आया पिक्चर में, लेकिन Y पिक्चर में आ रहा है क्योंकि वो उसका मैच हो रहा है मेरे साथ में. मेरे हाथ पे किधर उसका स्किन कुछ है, किधर उसका कुछ बाल रह गया है, और मैं क्लोथ्स पे उसका कुछ रह गया है. लाइक समथिंग इज देयर फ्रॉम व्हिच दे कुड आइडेंटिफाई द क्रिमिनल स्पॉट. कुछ ना कुछ उनको मिला है. मे बी व्हेन आई ट्राई टू सेव माई सेल्फ, मेरे अपना डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म के लिए मैंने कुछ तो भी लिया, उसको लगाया है तो उसका खून गिरा है. कहीं ना कहीं से एक से ज्यादा भी मैच हो सकता है. हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता है. ये तो मैंने एक ही दिखाया इधर, ऐसा 2 भी मैच हो सकता है. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर सीइंग ना. फोरेंसिक साइंस इज दैट ओनली. देयर इज अ फुल डिग्री कोर्स ऑफ दिस साइंस माय डियर. अहमदाबाद इज हैविंग इट. ये बॉम्बे में नहीं है. बॉम्बे में खाली पार्ट टाइम का कोर्स है. दैट इज 6 months का. दैट इज इन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस. You can join if you want after 12, and if at all you get a chance and opportunity to work with the police people, you can go for this, because detectives and all that are using this particular thing. आपको knowledge बहुत मिलेगा, क्योंकि अपने यहाँ पे जो forensic labs भी है ना, खाली 2 या 3 ही है. चंडीगढ़ वगैरह में है, इधर नहीं है. अपना इधर हैदराबाद में है, इधर अपने इधर बॉम्बे में हार्डली, पुणे में है, बॉम्बे में नहीं है. So they collect the sample and they send to these labs, and these labs are doing the DNA fingerprinting, because having that gel electrophoresis, aerosol gel का play, करंट एंड ऑल दैट, ये उसके ऊपर आना चाहिए. ऐसा भी ये सारे के सारे आएंगे उसके ऊपर. ये दूसरे का आएगा, ये तीसरे का आएगा, ये चौथे का आएगा, इधर आपको आएगा. देन इसके ऊपर वो लोग एक्सरे शीट रखते हैं. इसके ऊपर वो लोग एक्सरे शीट रखेंगे. जब ये एक्सरे शीट रखेंगे ना, तभी उसका पिक्चर आता है बराबर. जैसे अपना आता है ना, जेरोक्स कैसे करते हो, वैसे इसका पूरा ये फिंगरप्रिंटिंग का जेरोक्स आता है. देन दे विल से नहीं, एक्स वाज नॉट देयर, Y is not matching, so it's only mine with the Y which is matching. culprit is alive, supposing if I'm alive, then they will ask me, according to you, who's they? And if both of them are there, then both of them will be given the accordingly the you can say punishment. तभी तो वो निर्भया का केस अभी सुना था ना दिल्ली में, चारों को फांसी लगाए ना, because all four of them were the culprits. तो मैच हो गया ना उनका चारों का. तो ऐसा हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता ऐसा नहीं है. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर डीएनए फिंगर में प्रिंटिंग उनको बहुत कम में आया है. आगे चल के क्राइम के इधर पुलिस पीपल एंड ऑल सच थिंग बहुत कम में आया. वॉर में कभी कोई मर गया, उसका फेस पूरा खराब हो गया, नहीं मालूम पड़ता है कौन है करके. तो क्या करेंगे, उसका डीएनए सैंपल उनके पास है, वो डीएनए सैंपल से फाइंड आउट करते हैं किसका है ये बॉडी, उसके हिसाब से उसके पेरेंट्स को फिर देते हैं. तो इवन द डेड बॉडी के लिए काम में आता है, फाइंड द कल्प्रिट क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए अपने को काम में आता है. ओरिजिनल पैथ है कि नहीं उसमें काम में आता है. व्हेन वी से दैट आई डिसोन अ चाइल्ड, तो डेफिनेटली मेरे को बोलेंगे कि भाई इसको बोलो डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग करवाने के लिए, तो चाइल्ड का और मेरा डीएनए पैर होएगा, तो डेफिनेटली आई एम द मदर. ऐसा करके all these things are possible my dear nowadays.
मैम
and these are
दुनिया के सारे लोग का अलग रहता है, किसी मतलब दो लोग का भी सेम नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं, किसी का सेम नहीं हो सकता है. खाली इसमें जो डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग में ना ये मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस है ना, मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस. हेलो हेलो.
हाँ मैम सुन रहे हो.
मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस का सिमिलर रहेगा, उसमें बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है ढूंढ के निकालने के लिए. Monozygotic twins, I hope you understand. One zygote, that one zygote is immediately dividing into two, and both of them are further undergoing cleavages. Normally, how you know? See, one zygote is there, it was dividing this way: first cleavage, second cleavage, third cleavage, fourth cleavage. Correct? 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, 8 से 16, 16 से 32. Correct or no? 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. At this stage, it is forming the morular stage. लेकिन मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस में क्या होता है, जाइगोट एक ही बना है, ये जाइगोट एक बना, ये जाइगोट इमीडिएटली दो में डिवाइड होएगा, और दोनों अपने हिसाब से, ये दोनों सपोजिंग ऐसा है, वो लोग फर्स्ट डिवीजन, सेकेंड डिवीजन, थर्ड डिवीजन, फोर्थ डिवीजन, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. यानी कि 2 क्लीवेजेस हो गए इधर. Either you can see 2 cleavages. Here you had seen 1 cleavage. Here, because that one particular zygote immediately divided into 2, so we call this as monozygotic twins. इनका DNA पूरा का पूरा मैचिंग रहता है, पूरा. Identical twins जो बोलते हैं ना, identical twins है वो लोग. Hardly any differences there उनमें, hardly. Until unless they are taking some medicines or something and all that thing, then only slight variation or mutation may be there. Otherwise, they are monozygotic twins are totally similar in your DNA fingerprinting. वो भी hardly एक. तो इधर तो हम लोग 10 में से 6 बोलते हैं सिमिलर होना चाहिए. वेरिएबल नंबर tandem repeats. 10 में से 6 रिपीट हुआ, यानी कि it is the culprit. Correct? But इधर तो hardly एक वाली किधर एक आध अलग आ गया, तो how can we say the person is a culprit? ठीक है ना. मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस का सिमिलर रहता है.
मैम हमारे 4 नाइट्रोजन बेसिस है ना, एडेनिन, गुआनिन, थायमिन, 4 है ना. हाँ मैम, तो उनके अरेंजमेंट 12 वेज में हो सकते हैं, तो फिर उसमें इतने सारे वेरिएशन कैसे हो जाते हैं जीन में कि हर लोग का अलग.
देखो एक में हो सकता है, आई एम टेकिंग प्यूरिन्स, आई एम टेकिंग पाइरिमिडिन्स, वी आर टेकिंग द नंबर 10 in one helix. I may be having all 10 का 10 purines, that is this A and G are there purines, and pyrimidines are C, T and C. मेरे सारे के सारे 10 के 10 पहले ये हो सकते हैं, मेरे इसमें डीएनए में हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता है, मेरे सारे के सारे में ये हो सकता है. दिस इज द सेकंड कॉम्बिनेशन. थर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन 9 could be of this type, 1 could be of this type. Fourth combination could be 8 of this type, 2 of this type. 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 6, 4. Correct? Then 7, 3. Agreed or no? वो चेंज हो सकता है ना, यानी कि ये 10 में से फिर 9 हो सकता है, फिर 8 हो सकता है, 7 हो सकता है, 6 हो सकता है, 5 हो सकता है, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. तो इसमें क्या आएगा, एक में भी स्टार्टिंग में 0, में भी हैविंग 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वेरिएशन है ना. अभी किसमें क्या है किसको पता? Are you aware what you are having? Nobody goes till that extent. आज मेरे को बुखार है, आज मेरे को सर्दी है, आज मेरे को पेट में दर्द है, आज मेरे को वॉमिटिंग है, लूज मोशन है, कुछ भी है, नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी आई एम टेलिंग, डे टू डे एग्जांपल्स. We will go to the doctor, we will say only this. डॉक्टर बोलता है क्या डीएनए चेक करा के? नहीं बोलेगा. अच्छा, वर्स्ट कम वर्स्ट मेरे को सपोजिंग मलेरिया है या जॉन्डिस है या कुछ भी, तो डॉक्टर बोलेगा ब्लड टेस्ट करा के लो, पैथोजेंस के लिए ना, डीएनए के लिए थोड़ी बोलेगा. And nobody goes for the DNA testing until unless you are coming to that extent. Divorce का केस है मेरा and I disown my child. The partner is saying it उसको रखने का नहीं है, तो he's saying she should take it. And I'm saying I don't have my child. It's not my child. I don't want. तो उधर डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग होएगा. करेक्ट. जब भी ऐसा डिस्प्यूट होता है तभी, यहाँ जब भी वो क्राइम होता है तभी, our person is raping तभी, जब भी डेड बॉडी है तभी उसका फाइंड आउट करने का, तो then do you have to see ना. अच्छा, when गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर्स में they will take and keep it. Why? Because they want. और के यहाँ पे तो उनके पास वो लोग ने बैंक बना के रखा है ना डीएनए का, वो लोग ने बना के रखा है उधर रखने के लिए कि भाई इसका डीएनए कैसा है, ताकि उनका अगर जो कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है, कुछ नहीं मिलता है, स्पेस खराब हो गया, बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट में क्या होता है, यू नो उधर वॉर फ्रंट में, तो दे वुड लाइक टू हैव इट ना, तो दे कीप इट इन रिकॉर्ड, बट दे विल नॉट डिस्क्लोज इट टू एनीवन. दे डोंट डिस्क्लोज इट. They will disclose it only towards the end when they can want to check it out. Otherwise, they don't do it. This is all the facts. Monozygotic twins का similar रहेगा totally, क्योंकि उनका DNA एक ही बार zygote बना है ना, अलग अलग नहीं है. हाँ, लेकिन डाइजाइगोटिक ट्विंस अगर जिसमें दो जाइगोट बना है, दो स्पर्म बना है, दो ओवा है, डाइजाइगोटिक, करेक्ट, देन उसमें डिसिमिलर होगा. मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस बोथ विल बी either male or they will be females. Either it will be male or female. Both of them will be same sex. Whereas dizygotic, दो zygote जिस पर बना है, it could be either both females, it could be either both males, or it could be male and female. ऐसा. You never know what is happening. So these are the different ways the DNA fingerprinting can be done, and it is being done. It is successful science today. People are wondering how it was possible, but it is young science and it is very good. Forensic में बहुत काम में की चीज है ये, forensic science बहुत काम की चीज है. Full degree course is that 3 साल का, and then you can enter into the police or you can enter into the detective agency or something. It is very good one, really good one, and you get a proper, when you are doing that course and all such things, you get proper this government जो सिक्का आते हैं ना 3 शेयर वाला, उसका वो आई कार्ड वगैरह proper you get it. You can appear for the exams and everything, you can do it. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस है ना जो मैडम कमा रोड पे अपना कुलाबा के यहाँ पे रीगल के सामने, उधर है ये. If at all you have been to Regal Cinema or something, Jahangir Art Gallery behind Bombay University, it is there. अभी वैसे भी वो बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी तो उधर बंद हो गया है, लेकिन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस इज येट देयर. वेरी ओल्ड बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल सच थिंग्स इट इज.
मैम वेयर?
बॉम्बे में है ये, उधर पार्ट टाइम का कोर्स है ये, 6 months का कोर्स इट इज ओनली. Whereas if you want to do degree course, it is at Ahmedabad.
फोरेंसिक साइंस ले अपना मैम. फोरेंसिक साइंस ले अपना मैम.
हाँ, फोरेंसिक साइंस.
मैम डिफरेंस क्या है डिग्री कोर्स और 6 मंथ के कोर्स?
6 months कोर्स इज जस्ट डिप्लोमा कोर्स, टाइम पास, बट यू गेट द आइडिया. अभी ये जो आइडिया जो है ना, आपको नॉर्मल वे में आप डिग्री भी करोगे ना, बायोटेक भी करोगे, आप नहीं कर सकते हो इतना. लेकिन व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइज्ड कोर्स, तो उसमें आपको ये देखना पड़ता, दिखाते हैं वो लोग, आप खुद प्रैक्टिकली करते हो, ऐसा है. वैसे अपना डिग्री बायोटेक में है जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग, बट इतना लेवल तक नहीं जाता है उनका डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग, क्योंकि वो तो उनका क्रिमिनल साइंस का है ना. फॉरेंसिक साइंस इज क्रिमिनल का पार्ट. जब डेथ कि मैंने सुसाइड किया, मैंने मर्डर किया, मेरा पोस्टमार्टम करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल फॉरेंसिक साइंस ना. उसमें क्या क्या निकलता है, सच थिंग. तो उसके हिसाब से ये आप लोग को प्रैक्टिकल करने को मिलता है, तो आपको आइडिया मिल जाता है इमीडिएटली. That is there. Whereas a full degree course, if you are doing it, is much better. You get a government job, अपना पुलिस वाले का and all such things, और डिटेक्टिव का कोई भी कंपनी में जॉब मिल जाता है, तो that is also good. It's not bad. It's a good science. Correct? So don't get disheartened in any particular thing. ये हर एक चीज का अपना अपना महत्व है, अपना अपना है. Now coming to the next part over here, that is something pertaining to southern bolting. Something pertaining to southern bolting. That is the next step. I hope this is the fourth step only. Yeah, gel electrophoresis, then is the southern bolting. The separated DNA fragments, the separated DNA fragments are transferred on this particular nylon sheet, are transferred on the nylon sheet, or a nitrocellulose filter paper by placing it over the gel and soaking them with filter paper overnight. जब भी मैं इसके ऊपर रखूंगी ना, एक पेपर एक शीट रख दूंगी, रात भर रखती हूँ, तो ये पूरा का पूरा इम्प्रिंट उसके ऊपर आ जाता है, तो पूरा इम्प्रिंट आएगा. Here the next one, that is something pertaining to selection of DNA probe. Now, what do I mean by this selection of DNA probe? In this, a known sequence of single-stranded DNA is collected or is prepared. अभी I told you, it is supposing I'm taking single strand as A, T, G, C ऐसा करके एक ही स्ट्रैंड में लेती हूँ, दोनों स्ट्रैंड का नहीं लेती हूँ, दूसरे स्ट्रैंड का नहीं करते, खाली एक ही स्ट्रैंड का सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड DNA का sequence I'm taking or is prepared. It is called as probe. Is prepared to be a probe. यानी कि मैंने आर्टिफिशियली वो बना लिया, अभी देखा तो मैंने उसको आर्टिफिशियली बना लिया. दिस या मेरे से ऑब्टेन किया या किसी और ऑर्गेनिज्म से ऑब्टेन किया, ऐसा करके वो मैंने सेम सीक्वेंस बना दिया. करेक्ट. दिस DNA probe is obtained from organisms or is prepared by cDNA. Now, what do I mean by the term cDNA over here? cDNA over here is nothing but it is called as complementary DNA. Means what? Last time, if you can recollect, we had done the transcription, correct? Transcription phenomena आपने देखा था, in which the nucleus is there, the two strands of the DNA get separated in the nucleus, correct? The two strands are getting separated. RNA polymerase is synthesizing a strand to one of the DNA strands. Now, this mRNA polymerase has synthesized a strand which is called as mRNA. I can keep this mRNA in the genetic library. जैसे आपका किताब का लाइब्रेरी है ना, ब्लड का बैंक है, वैसे जीन का भी बैंक है, जीन का लाइब्रेरी है. वो लाइब्रेरी में मैंने ये mRNA रखा है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये mRNA को अगर जो मैं रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज, वो RNA को अगर जो मैं रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज एंजाइम से एक्ट कराऊंगी, it will be forming a DNA strand. Then DNA polymerase from the nucleoplasm will form a complementary strand. So I'm getting the DNA. Because this strand was formed from mRNA, I call this particular strand to be complementary DNA, that is cDNA. C is small over here. cDNA. Complementary DNA. Correct?
Nice.
One second. Complementary. I'll do it once again. Complementary DNA. ये मेरा न्यूक्लियस, my dear, this is for reference पूरा, because you are not able to see with the pencil, I'll do it with pen only. This is my nucleus. Within the nucleus, there is a DNA strand or DNA molecule. The two strands got separated by the breakdown of weak hydrogen bonds. Within the nucleoplasm, there is an enzyme called as RNA polymerase. This RNA polymerase is synthesizing a strand complementary to the DNA strand. This strand is called as mRNA. This is your transcription. Supposing here I have A, I have U, I have G. ये आपको मालूम है, इसके लिए मैं वही दिया है. Then A के साथ में पेयर होएगा T, U के साथ में पेयर होएगा A, G के साथ में पेयर होएगा C. करेक्ट? ये DNA है. ये मेरा mRNA है. बराबर है? इधर तक क्लियर है? दिस तो पार्ट जाने तो वही और ऑल्सो ना अपना रेस्पिरेशन में, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में. Where it went? Transcription. ये वाला. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? ये तो अपन ने किया है ना already. Transcription.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That same thing I'm telling once again now. ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ये है. अभी मेरा जो mRNA बना है, ये mRNA है मेरा. I had A, U, G. ऐसे करके और भी है. I'm least bothered. This was formed with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme. अभी ये mRNA को the enzyme which is acting upon it is reverse transcriptase. The enzyme named as reverse transcriptase is acting upon it. Now what is this enzyme reverse transcriptase? यानी कि transcription का reversal होता है. How you said in prophase, the chromatin network is forming proper chromosomes, nucleolus, as well as nucleoplasm. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane start disappearing. In telophase, you are saying it is reverse of prophase. What you said? Reappearance of nuclear membrane, reappearance of nucleolus. The chromosomes are forming the chromatin network. Correct or no? आपने लास्ट ईयर किया ना सेल डिवीजन में.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपने रिवर्स बोला, तो मैं अभी बोलती हूँ रिवर्स ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज. मैं बोलती हूँ रिवर्स ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में mRNA बना. किसमें से बना? DNA से बना. दैट इज इन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. अभी इसका उल्टा करने का है, तो mRNA से DNA बनेगा ना. रिवर्स हो गया ना वो. DNA
Yes,
से
ma'am.
RNA बन रहा है, दैट इज ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. From DNA, RNA is being formed, that is transcription. Correct? From RNA, when you are forming the DNA once again, it will be called as reverse transcription, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? And that reverse transcription is done by means of enzyme reverse transcriptase. क्योंकि enzyme में हमेशा अपन ase लगाते हैं. Try to recollect hexase enzyme, ligase enzyme, reductase enzyme, oxidase enzyme. Correct or no? ase तो enzyme में है ही ना, उसका nature है वो. ase आना ही चाहिए उसके पास. So this is what is reverse transcriptase enzyme. अभी ये reverse transcriptase enzyme से मेरे को supposing DNA मिल रहा है इधर, तो ये DNA का स्ट्रैंड होएगा TAC, वही था इधर. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये मेरा एक स्ट्रैंड हुआ. दिस इज वन स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA. वन स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA. अभी न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म के अंदर DNA पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम है. DNA
Yes, ma'am.
पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम दूसरा स्ट्रैंड बनाएगा DNA का.
Yes, ma'am.
Which will be complementary to this. A के साथ में T के साथ में A के साथ में T, C के साथ G, क्योंकि ये DNA बना रहा है. It is forming DNA. That's why it is DNA polymerase. So ये U नहीं आएगा, इधर A ही आएगा. Sorry, T आएगा. Correct? Because it is TNA. This is DNA. This red one is DNA. Great. This one is your mRNA. This is acted upon by means of this enzyme reverse transcriptase. So it's forming one strand of DNA. This strand is acted upon by means of DNA polymerase enzyme. It is forming another complementary strand. So you are getting DNA molecule. Correct? This DNA molecule is said to be your cDNA. C is small DNA, which you call it as complementary DNA. What is my DNA?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone to repeat once again. Go through if you want. I'll repeat it, no problem. ध्यान से देखो, or else if you want, I'll repeat it once again. Should I start? Need it once again? Anybody? Does anyone need it once again? उसके लिए क्या? My dear, COVID-19 is having that antigen and antibody complex, and it is having basically RNA. You all know that viruses have only one genetic material, either DNA or RNA, never both. Correct? Normally, plant viruses are having RNA, bacteriophages are having DNA, whereas animal viruses are having either DNA or RNA. अभी वो RNA का एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी जैसे होता है ना रिएक्शन, उसके हिसाब से, और RNA बड़ी फास्ट यू कैन से म्यूटेशन होता है उसका. DNA का जितना म्यूटेशन जल्दी नहीं होता उतना RNA का होता है, क्योंकि RNA is needed for synthesis of proteins. That is the reason why वो हमेशा होते जाता है, फटाफट मल्टीप्लाई होता है, वो म्यूटेट हो रहा है. नॉर्मली अपना फ्लू होता है ना, आई एम डूइंग इट द रिवाइजिंग आल्सो दिस. नॉर्मली जो अपने को फ्लू होता है अपन बोलते हैं वायरल फीवर, बारिश का सीजन में वेरी कॉमन है. स्कूल लेवल से आपको मालूम है 8, 9, 10 से लेके एकदम पहला को तो याद नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन 8, 9, 10 धुंधा से याद रहता है. किसी फ्रेंड को होता है, उसके बाजू में आप बैठे, उसको सर्दी बुखार है, आपको भी हो जाता है 2-3 दिन बाद में. करेक्ट? या this is very common. You can say flu is common, cold is very common to everyone in this rainy season. गिले हो जाते हैं तो भी सर्दी बुखार हो जाता है. करेक्ट? बट इट इज नॉट गोइंग. आपके घर पे अगर जो पेट है, एनिमल, डॉग है, कैट है, कोई भी पेट एनिमल है, उसको नहीं जाता है. वो क्यों नहीं जाता है? बिकॉज इट इज स्पेसिफिक पर्टेनिंग टू ह्यूमन होस्ट. बट दिस पर्टिकुलर कोविड, दैट इज कोरोना जो वायरस है, वो म्यूटेशन होता है. इट कैन गो इवन टू द एनिमल्स. बीच में ऐसा भी आया था, इट हैज गॉन टू टाइगर, इट हैज गॉन टू लायन, एज वेल एज इट हैज गॉन टू कैट्स एंड ऑल सच थिंग्स. आपके घर बाजू में जो भी है उसको भी इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, बिकॉज इट कैन अंडरगो म्यूटेशन वेरी फास्ट. Very fast it is undergoing mutation. Vaccines have come up. Russia ka vaccine has not been successful. India ka vaccine has come up. They are mostly going to launch it somewhere in the month of August 15th. They are saying officially launching will be done, and then on a larger scale they are going to produce it and they are going to give it. अभी तक उसका ये dosages अभी तक मालूम नहीं पड़ा है whether one is enough. Like अपने को BCG में वैक्सीन लगाते हैं, बचपन में लगा दिया है, तो उसके बाद में अपन लेते नहीं है ना. मगर ये इसका अभी तक डोसेज क्लियर नहीं हुआ है. इट डिफर्स. हां
मैम, इतना फास्ट वैक्सीन निकाल रहे, बाद में अगर वो कुछ साइड इफेक्ट हुआ तो
किसका? वो साइड इफेक्ट करने के लिए तो देखा ना, लोअर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, हायर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग. अभी टेस्टिंग चल रहा है, ह्यूमन बीइंग का टेस्टिंग लिया है ना, 18 to 55 एज वाले ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को लिया है. 20 जन के ऊपर टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं, और वो लोग को वो देख के भी वो लोग को 15 दिन हो गया है, वो लोग ने टेस्टिंग किया है. अंडरस्टूड? फास्ट निकाला है, फास्ट निकालना पड़ा, नहीं तो पॉपुलेशन बोलो किधर जाएगा, आप सोचो. And they are saying like it is going to go on, this particular situation will go on till month of March. Maybe this academic year is going as a false year, दुक्का year, ऐसा करके, because everyone is not able to do anything ना. ऐसे थोड़ी only you are not appearing. मैं खुद खाली अपीयर नहीं करेगी तो मेरा ये होएगा, एक year का blank होएगा. But everyone is not able to do anything, neither schools nor colleges, nothing educational में. So this particular year may go as a block, entirely blank year they will call. ऐसा करके. वैसा क्या होता था, मैं कभी एग्जाम नहीं देती थी ना.
मैम ऐसा फाइनल तो नहीं हुआ है ना कि 0 एकेडमिक ईयर दे दिया है?
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
फाइनल तो नहीं हुआ ना कि 0 एकेडमिक ईयर डिक्लेयर कर दिया है?
अभी तक फाइनल नहीं किया है, लेकिन लग रहा है, हो सकता है. बिकॉज इफ एट ऑल दिस वैक्सीन इज नॉट गोइंग सक्सेसफुल, जो बोलते हैं सक्सेसफुल जाएगा, अगस्त 15 में लॉन्च करेगा, अगर जो सक्सेसफुल नहीं गया तो हो सकता है ना. बिकॉज लॉकडाउन करने के बावजूद, इतना रिस्ट्रिक्शन करने के बावजूद भी इट इज गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. अभी तो अपना लोकल ट्रेन चालू नहीं हुआ है. इमेजिन बसेस में दे आर टेकिंग जस्ट 50% ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स, 1 in 1 seat, नो स्टैंडिंग. करेक्ट? तो जब ये सब चालू हो जाएगा फुल स्केल में, इमेजिन द कंडीशन. शॉपिंग यू कैन डू इट इधर alternate days पे, इधर left hand side one day, right hand side on the other day. So go to the markets, your hill road market, you go on the left hand side of the hill road, पूरा ग्लोबस के सामने वाला रोड, you will see they are doing it only Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Whereas Elko Market wala road is doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, alternate days. Why? Because this way the crowd will be reduced. Basically, वैसे people are not coming out, but reduce the crowd also. Trains are not there. Imagine once the train start coming, ये लोग बोलते हैं 1 गज का अंतर रखो, 2 गज का अंतर रखो. अपन क्या 1 फीट का अंतर नहीं रखते, 2 गज का कहाँ से रखेंगे ट्रेन में? Imagine Bombay local trains, peak hours में. You are suffocating over there. You can't even breathe. What you can keep 2 gaj ka distance over there? Impossible, my dear. So imagine if that particular thing is not controlled. ये अगर जो नहीं कंट्रोल किया होता ना, कितना पब्लिक मरा होता अभी तक. Day by day. Forget it. 4 people on one seat. Yeah, one is the corner seat, na. Imagine. नहीं हो सकता था. We cannot. All these things are there. Okay, let's revise this now. Forget about that. कोरोना को फेस करने का everyone has to face it happily. दुखी होके फेस करोगे तो भी दुख है, सुखी होके फेस करोगे, then do it better. So better be happy and face it. Everyone is sailing in the same boat, not only you and me, everyone. So forget about that. Come back to your studies. If at all it is that way, the year is going as a dukkha, it's better for you. You can prepare more yourself for the exams. You'll get more time for preparation. Think in that terms, positively. Okay. Now, this was the nuclear membrane within which the genetic material, that is DNA, is there. The 2 strands of the DNA get separated by the breakdown of weak hydrogen bonds. Through this RNA polymerase, a strand is synthesized, which is complementary to one of the DNA strands. This strand which is synthesized is your mRNA. The synthesis of mRNA on DNA with the help of the enzyme polymerase, RNA polymerase, you call the phenomena as transcription. ये हम लोग ने protein synthesis में देखा था. We call the phenomena as transcription. Now, this mRNA, I am keeping it in the genetic gene library. This mRNA, I am storing it in gene library. मेरे को DNA नहीं मिला, लेकिन मेरे को mRNA है, तो मैं mRNA store करके रख देती हूँ. ये mRNA is acted upon by means of reverse transcriptase enzyme. तो इसका complementary form बनता है, that is DNA. ये reverse हो गया. Correct? I made you understand last year when we did
yes, ma'am.
This prophase and telophase. We explained it that way only, na? Nuclear membrane, nucleolus starts disappearing, chromatin network forms a chromosome. That was in prophase. Telophase was reverse of it. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus reappears. Chromosomes are forming chromatin network. तो यहाँ पे भी इसका रिवर्स बनेगा. इसका रिवर्स बना यानी कि TCA आएगा. इसका रिवर्स. So that is nothing but one strand of DNA is formed, single strand DNA. That single strand DNA is acted upon by means of DNA polymerase enzyme. It is forming another DNA strand. That another DNA strand is formed. So now you are getting a DNA molecule. ये single strand था, ये single strand था. So you got now double stranded DNA. That is nothing but DNA molecule. This DNA molecule is said to be your cDNA. That is nothing but complementary DNA. क्यों कैसे बना वो यहाँ से बना, mRNA से बना, by means of the enzyme transcriptase, reverse transcriptase enzyme. And this we are storing it in the laboratory, cDNA करके भी. क्योंकि हम लोग कर सकते हैं ना, हम लोग को mRNA से DNA मिल सकता है. खाली DNA रखने से फायदा क्या, खाली DNA भी रखते हैं तो भी अपने को काम में आता है. ये एक और एडिशन पार्ट रखा है तो भी हम लोग को काम में आता है जीन लाइब्रेरी में, so that हम लोग DNA बना सकें. ये सीक्वेंस के बेसिस पे मैं DNA बना सकती हूँ. So that is called as cDNA. That is nothing but complementary DNA. Correct? The cDNA is being or prepared by means of cDNA. Correct? The DNA probe labeled in a radioactive process. That is not needed. Then you have the next point over here. That is something pertaining to hybridization. Hybridization means you are going to make the hybrids. DNA probe is added. The probe which you prepared over here, that is DNA probe, is added on the, ये जो जेल था ना अपना इधर उसके ऊपर, is added on the nitrocellulose filter paper containing host DNA. इन्होंने जो बोला ये मेरा DNA था, उसके ऊपर मैंने और लगा दिया है अभी to check whether what is matching. करेक्ट, ये मेरा DNA, होस्ट DNA, उसके बाद दूसरा सस्पेक्टेड पर्सन का DNA लगा दे बाजू में. नाउ अपने को चेक करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट, on the host DNA. The single stranded DNA probe pairs with the complementary base. Sequence of the host DNA. Now, whatever is pairing, whatever is matching, we are taking into consideration. So it is pairing with the host DNA strand. As DNA hybrids are formed on nitrocellulose gel. दोनों बनता है उधर ही. A full band is being formed over here. ऐसा करके nitrocellulose gel or filter paper. Remaining single-stranded fragments are washed out. That is of no use for you. Next is the last step. That is your photography. I told you X-ray sheet के जैसा बनता है. The nitrocellulose filter paper. Nitrocellulose filter paper is photographed on an X-ray sheet by autoradiography. The film is analyzed to determine that particular film which you get, X-ray film. The film is analyzed to determine the presence of hybrid DNA. Correct? Now, what are the applications of this DNA fingerprinting? Applications of DNA fingerprinting. First and foremost, it is a young science in forensic. So it is a forensic science. It can solve the problems of the rape, solve rape problems. It is solving the dispute in parents. It solves the dispute in parents. It is also helpful for analysis of pedigree. Like that horses, whether they are running horses or no, meat producing cow or nahi, all these things you are finding out. Khandan वैसा उनका है कि नहीं है. So for analysis of the pedigree things also, the DNA fingerprinting is playing a role. This is pertaining to the entire DNA fingerprinting. Identify animals नहीं, कैसा animals कैसा find out करेगा? तो मैं और आप दुश्मन बन जाए तो हम लोग का दोनों का DNA find out करो. All will not be matching at all, my dear friend. Animals का तो. चलो अपन दोनों दुश्मन बन जाते हैं. बाद में सर को बोलते हैं हम लोग का DNA fingerprinting करवा लो. चलेगा? And let's see what the answer we are getting. That is also a good thing to do. One nice experiment. Go through it now fast. Typing mistake. What was typing mistake? अच्छा फ्रेंड्स का था एनिमीज की जगह पे. एनिमीज की जगह पे फ्रेंड्स का करने का है तो भी नहीं कर सकते हो. क्रिमिनल्स का यस, आई टोल्ड ना, रेप केस ऐसा ना, रेप केस, चोरी, डकाती, मर्डर, ये वो जो भी है क्रिमिनल में उधर सब आ गया. आजकल रेप का ज्यादा चल रहा है, इसके लिए वो पहले लिख दिया. उधर डीएनए काम में आता है. हाँ, चोरी वगैरह हुआ तो उधर भी आता है काम में. Go through this first. Please be careful. Even the saliva can be considered, for DNA. Only RBC is not considered. ये जो इधर बना ना अपना एग्रोसोल जेल, नाइट्रोसेल्यूलोज जेल के पेपर के ऊपर, एक्सरे शीट पर, वो एक्सरे शीट का इधर डिस्प्ले हो गया. How it is visible, just see.
तो कौन सा ग्रुप है जिसमें तू ऐड है? साकिब भैया की अम्मी का भी इंतकाल हो गया. बहुत बुरा हुआ. बता दो सही, कौन सा जानेंगे मेरे को ग्रुप गाना.
This is for reference, जो इधर है.
हाँ, बोल रहे क्या हुआ? हेलो
हेलो.
हाँ हेलो
हेलो.
हेलो.
हेलो, क्या हुआ?
आंटी कॉल किया आपने?
मैंने कॉल किया? इम्पॉसिबल.
नाम बोलो सर उसका. मैं वर्ड
फिनिश्ड.
तो देख मालूम है मुझे भी मुझसे बातें नहीं है मैं ऐसा करता.
So with that we finished 3 chapters. First lesson number 1, reproduction,
बहुत अच्छे.
lower and higher plants.
कब बोली बता?
Then we have finished that
ये कौन है?
genetics basis of inheritance, that is inheritance and molecular basis of inheritance. Now you let me know what are chapters you all want me to.
सॉरी, मैं तेरा वेलकम नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मैंने कोई बात नहीं बा, मम्मी को ठीक करके लेके आओ, घर पे फिर आऊंगी इंशाल्लाह.
First, second, third नहीं अपने को करने का है. Then fourth, fifth we have done. Fifth one is origin and evolution. Then we have sixth one, that is plant water relation. We have 7, that is plant. थोड़ा easy chapter.
Plant water relation we will do.
Okay. थोड़ा easy chapter बोल रहे हैं मेरे को कोई. तो easy chapter I can take is this one. I think एक मिनट, human नहीं, enhancement in food production ले लो. इसमें थोड़ा zoology का part भी है. There are 3 parts in this chapter basically. I'll just give you the briefing. There are 3 parts in this chapter. One part is food production का, that is your agriculture and also think plant breeding and tissue culture. Second part is your animal husbandry, that is your domestication of animals, अपना poultry farming, then dairy management, fisheries, lac culture, silkworm culture, and then insect, honeybee culture, apiculture. And then again you have role of microbes, that is doclas and all that, what we prepare at home, and the biofertilizers and all that, that has been dealt in this particular chapter. So next you want me to start with this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem for me.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I kept the sheets in front of you all. You all suggest what you all want me to do. Okay. So next will be our 11th chapter. Make a note if you want. That is enhancement of food production. तो ये सब तो अपना हो गया. अब ये फाइनल उसके बाद में अपन we can go back to that plant water relation and that plant crop which are slightly you can say थोड़ा tough है वो, लेकिन चलेगा, अपन कर सकते हैं, वैसा tough है वो, correct? And simultaneously, are you all solving that papers? Are they ready with you all? So whenever we meet for the first time, personally, at least I can collect that and bring it home and do the needful. One student has already sent it to me, but then simultaneously I didn't get time to see it. Maybe tomorrow or something I'll sit, because now I've finished with the master key work, I've finished with other works, so I can sit and do that now. I was doing 3-4 different works accordingly. Now only one work is left out. That can be adjusted with her work also, correct? That is not a major thing for me. So this part is very clear, DNA fingerprinting. I'm just writing the title. I don't think I'll get time to start with it, because once I start with it, I'll just do the introduction. Enhancement of food production. If you ask my language now, in my language, I call this chapter to be topology, pecology chapter. Now, why you may say, Mrs. saying this way as topology, pecology chapter? From this, if you try to see, my explanation will be damn minimum. I have to just give you the gist of the chapter. Further breakdown is yours. The reason behind that is you will have to remember the types. The semi-dwarf variety, the dwarf variety, high yielding variety, उनके जो नाम है वो सब आपको याद रखने हैं. जैसे आपको कैसे कोलम चावल याद है, बासमती चावल याद है, गेहूं शियोर याद है, लोकवाना याद है, ये जो लोकल आते हैं वो आपको याद रहता है. वैसे ही इसमें भी अपने पास जो एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट है उन लोगों ने अलग अलग नाम देके रखा है. सम ग्रेन्स के हिसाब से उनके नाम है, वो नाम के हिसाब से यू आइडेंटिफाइंग इट. Like how capsicum, you are getting red pepper, capsicum, you are getting white capsicum, you are getting green capsicum, you get yellow capsicum, correct? So capsicum के भी market में अलग अलग है, तो उसके हिसाब से नाम है. The same with tomatoes in the market, you get green tomatoes, you get orangish tomatoes, and you get bright red color tomatoes. You get seedless tomatoes. So you go accordingly, you purchase it, correct? The same way here also, the names are there which you'll have to remember it. In that, I cannot help you because they are rattamari. I cannot change the names. I cannot do anything for them. How that name is coming to the existence, yet that is my problem to show you. Next is,
कितने मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चंस आते हैं पेपर में?
इसके क्वेश्चंस मैक्सिमम 3 मार्क के लिए आएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4 मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन इसमें से आएगा नहीं. लेकिन अभी तक कोई मार्किंग स्कीम आया नहीं है, so you cannot take it into consideration. पर वैसे भी 4 मार्क का नहीं आएगा इसमें से. Major question here, even 3 mark I doubt it is there. Maybe the unit is of 3 marks. That doesn't mean it is 3 mark question आएगा. They can ask you 2 1 mark question and 1 2 mark question. Or they may ask you all 3 questions of 1 mark. One will be over there filling the match अपना MCQ. One will be answer in 1 sentence ऐसे करके किधर भी ऐसे करके पूछेंगे. इसमें 3 चैप्टर हम लोग ने यूनाइट किया. Last year we used to have in 12th standard these as 3 different chapters. Enhancement of food production, wherein plant breeding was there, as well as tissue culture was there. Then you had another chapter as animal husbandry. That was dairy, poultry, then apiculture, sericulture, lag culture, ये सारा pisciculture. That was all your this animal husbandry in zoology part. And the third one which has been introduced over here, that was your lesson number 5. 4 and 5 को unite करके role of microbes वो भी इसमें डाल दिया है. Correct? So 4 and 5 united along with that lesson number 11 of zoology. No, 13th of zoology. Last year का, old course का. वो तीनों मिला के एक चैप्टर बना दिया है, that is enhancement of food production. ऐसे करके. Now what basically is this? Right from the time when we got independent, अपना population is going on increasing. Since the population is on increasing, definitely there is a demand for the food also. अभी घर पे 2 जन खाना खाएंगे, उसके हिसाब से मम्मी जितना बनाती है 4-5 चपाती बनाएगी, करेक्ट? और सपोजिंग कोई गेस्ट आता है, 4-5 जन और आते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से मम्मी का काम बढ़ जाता है, Correct or no? Where she might be preparing a small bowl of vegetables, she has to prepare a little bit more because 6 persons are coming extra. चपातीज जिधर अपना 4 बनाती थी मम्मी, उधर मम्मी को मैं भी अभी खाली 20 या 24 चपातीज बनानी पड़े क्योंकि 6 जन एक्स्ट्रा आ रहे हैं. करेक्ट हो नो? तो दिस इज व्हाट बेसिकली द थिंग इज. इफ फॉर स्मॉल थिंग पार्टी के लिए आप सोच रहे हो इतना इंक्रीज हो जाता है, तो ये तो पूरा पॉपुलेशन वर्ल्ड का होता है इंक्रीज. नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, तो डेफिनेटली इंक्रीमेंट शुड बी देयर ऑफ द क्रॉप आल्सो ना. तो वी शुड बी एबल टू फुलफिल द डिमांड. अभी अगर जो अपन फुलफिल नहीं करते हैं डिमांड, so we are going down in our economy. How? We will purchase it from the foreign countries. वो लोग का population कम है, वो लोग का खेती बाड़ी बहुत है. On the highways only, when you go over there on the highways only, you will come across apple का trees, orange का trees. ये वो people running around on the road. If they want, they can go and collect it also. 2-3 लोटा के खा भी लिए, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनका, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनको. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई उसका देख रेख करता है या ये वो करके. On the roads, हाईवे पे, अपने हाईवे पे क्या है, लकड़ा पकड़ा सब जंगल के जैसा है, कुछ भी झाड़ पत्ती है ही नहीं जिधर आप खाना का कुछ ले सकते हो, फ्रूट्स वगैरह. There you go and see full highways are having that on either side of the road of the highways you come across the fruit plants, either oranges, apples, then you have strawberries. People on the way of the highway also, if you don't have anything to eat, collect from there, start eating it, no problem. But don't spoil the roadside. Road के कचरा नहीं करने का है. Nothing should be done for that. Keep proper dustbins are there at the petrol pumps and all that. Discard over there. Don't. हम लोग क्या इधर खाते हैं, ट्रेन में खाया, ट्रेन में छिलका छोड़ दिया, पीली. No, that is not allowed. That is not permitted over there. There you have to be very careful. They allow you to eat, no problem, but then don't discard anything or waste on the roadside. That cleanliness has to be there. So they have more food. So to fulfill the Indian this demand for the food, our ministry level pay hires people. They will collect the food from the foreign countries. When they are collecting the food from the foreign countries, definitely they're not getting cheaper. They will have to pay a more price for it, and our economy will go on decreasing. To fulfill the demand of the Indian population का food content के लिए, we require the land to be giving us the food crops. What was there? If you ask your grandparents, they might be saying, हम लोग के यहाँ से तो वसई से बाजी आती थी, एकदम ताजा ताजा आती थी. विरार से बाजी वाली बाजी लेके आती थी ताजा. So they go and see Virar and Vasai area, residential complexes or industrial complexes have come up. यानी कि वो agricultural land था, जिसको non-agriculture कर दिया, and they have sold it, and they are being benefited. अभी उधर हम लोग का companies आ गया, हम लोग रहने के लिए जा रहे हैं, सब हो गया. So this way it is harming the entire thing. Agricultural land is being harmed. अभी जितना मेरे पास agricultural land earlier था, maybe I was having 10 acres of agriculture land, but that has been now reduced to maybe 3 or 4 acres. लेकिन वो 3 or 4 acres में भी मेरे को इतना crop yield करने का जितना should be able to fulfill the demand of the entire country. So for that reason, we need the plants which are of higher this yield. We need the plants which are of higher yield. For getting the higher yield, either we are using fertilizers, or we are using the manures, we are using latest this technology for the irrigation, or we are having the plants which are of early maturity, or we are collecting the seeds of the hybrid variety so that we get the good yield of it. So थोड़े में से अपने को ज़्यादा मिलना चाहिए. That's what we are doing it, and that phenomena is nothing but your plant breeding phenomena. Now, what were the aims of this? The aims of the plant breeding in general were good quality, good quantity, high yielding variety. Then it was a disease-free variety, early maturity, ऐसे करके. Now, how can we? Who has done this first? The main person behind this was your Norman Borlaug, Dr. Norman E. Borlaug. He did this particular phenomena wherein he increased the yield of the crops in a limited area of land, and that in turn we call it as green revolution. He introduced his green revolution. He used it by means of using semi-drop variety of wheat. जो भी acre of land में उसको मिलता था, maybe 100 kgs of whatever it is. He improved the seed varieties. He did all the fertilizers. He took the irrigation process. He did the things of bioinsecticides वगैरह सब डाल के, pesticides वगैरह डाल के उसने crop को अच्छा बनाया. And from that he could get the yield in that 100 acres of land only as about 175 kg. जिधर उसको 100 मिलता था, he got it as 175. 75 kg भी जो increase हुआ, it was able to fulfill the population. On that guidelines only, they went on in doing some other areas of the acres of land. धीरे धीरे करके we have come to that level. Now we are able to fulfill the Indian demand of the food supply. Now, in fact, the food supply is additional for us. We are selling it to the foreign country and we are being economically benefited. जैसे अपना cotton, अपना बनता है इंडिया में, लेकिन it is going to foreign countries also and we are being economically benefited. तभी तो अपना GDP increase होता है ना. That is how we are economically helpful for this. Now, the same way sugar है. Sugar cane का अपने पास गन्ने का झाड़ कितना है? If you go to see in the villages and all such things, तो वो गन्ने का झाड़ हम लोग यूज करते हैं, उसमें से एक्सट्रैक्ट निकालते हैं, वो शुगर के लिए यूज करते हैं. Then they started saying that it should be, first we used to do the tea and all such things with the help of jaggery, because from sugarcane you can get jaggery that is good very fast. But then jaggery का colors अलग अलग आने लगा and देखने में थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगने लगा. Then we said we'll start putting the sugar industries. तो वो मशीनरी था, फॉरेन कंट्रीज का आने लगा. अभी वो फॉरेन कंट्रीज का मशीनरी तो आ गया है, तो उसके ऊपर हम लोग करते हैं. तो नाउ यू आर गेटिंग द शुगर आल्सो. नो डाउट शुगर का प्राइस इज इंक्रीजिंग, पीपल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम डायबिटीज. शुगर का yield is increasing, but this eating or the taking in capacity of the sugar is going on reducing. So definitely we are being benefited by selling sugar in the foreign countries. What they do, they make ice cube, the sugar cubes, and they sell it. वो पूरा पाउडर फॉर्म में करते हैं, उसका क्यूब बनाते हैं. That you get it in the market and in Indian this shops also nowadays. Some shops which are having that all that foreign stuffs and all that ना, उधर आपको ये sugar का cubes भी मिलता है and all. So this is the way it is being benefited for us. Our GDP is increasing. Economically, we are being benefited from our own country. So this is what will be done in this chapter. Again, one more unit is there, that is tissue culture. Now, if you take for me, एक मेरा उंगली निकालो या मेरा कुछ सेल निकाल के कल्चर मीडिया में रख दो, इकोनॉमिक्स बन जाएगा. एक मिस लेक्चर ले रही है, एक मिस घूम रही है, एक स्टूडेंट लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हैं, एक घूम रहे हैं, मूवी को गया है. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है ना ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में. So we are said to be partially potential. But if you try to see your carrots and all such things, mama grate करती है गाजर का हलवा, broader end mama keeps it, you keep it in a plate containing water, you will see the root is increasing and the shoot is also increasing. That means that particular gajar ka cell, broader end, is more, you can say, potential to give rise to a new plant. So we call the plant cells to be totally potential. That was tissue culture. हम लोग टिश्यू कल्चर फिनोमेना यूज करते हैं. कभी हम लोग ने सोचा नहीं था, अतरंगी दिमाग नहीं है अपना, खाली ऐसा सोचते सोचते रहते हैं, लेकिन कभी किसी ने किया नहीं है ऐसा होएगा तो क्या होएगा. Scientists have done it. What they did, a potato and a tomato. Way back till 2006, they were not even aware whether it is a potato having the taste of tomato or whether it is a tomato having the taste of potato. It was way back in 2006 they came to know. Pomato, उसका नाम डाल दिया पोमैटो. वो लोग ने साइटोप्लाज्म टोमेटो का लिया, साइटोप्लाज्म पोटैटो का लिया. वो लोग ने उसको नाम भी दे दिया पोमैटो, हाइब्रिड बनाया. लेकिन वो हाइब्रिड कैसा दिखता है किसी को पता नहीं था. What happened in 2006 on the net, you see, give the command of pomato plant. You will see a plant is coming on the lower side, underground it is having potatoes. On the aerial side it shows a tomato. यानी कि one plant is giving you 2 yields. Imagine. And if you are cultivating that in the acre of land, see the benefit which you get. एक ही plant is giving you 2 different yields. Tomatoes, potatoes का भी demand बहुत है, tomatoes का भी demand है. If everyone is eating vada pav, there are people who are eating sandwiches also. तो दोनों का demand है. So it will be helpful for us. The small acre of land is only giving us everything. Both the things, double benefit. Normally या तो aerial side का benefit मिलता है या तो underground side का मिलता है. इधर दोनों का मिलता है benefit. So that is a tissue culture phenomena, wherein you are trying to hybrid, you make the hybrid of 2 different non-compatible things. जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना, donkey and a horse, you get खच्चर, that is mule. So this is a pomato is also something different only, na? Correct? So they got benefited from that, and that is the reason why tissue culture is also coming in demand now. Then they started, after this you have the next part over here is something pertaining to अपना animal husbandry, dairy products, milk and all such things. You are culturing the cows, buffaloes and all that. There are people who are having the herds of this. तबेला है पूरा उनका भैंस का, तो उसमें वो भैंस का तबेला रखने के लिए ऐसे थोड़ी रख सकते हैं कोई भी. You have to keep proper hygienic condition. You have to keep lighting over there. You have to see that there are no insect pests over there. किसी भी कोई भी उसको बीमारी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Constantly you're calling the veterinary doctors and all such things, giving them the vaccine so that they are not harmed in any form. From that, then you're milking the cow. So when we are collecting the milk from it, those particular mammary glands of that cow are being cleaned up first. Your hands should be washed properly, and then you're collecting the milk and all. It's not just randomly you go and collect and come out. ऐसा नहीं है. You have to keep it properly hygienic condition, and then only it will be helpful for us. So all these things we have to do in this chapter. Now when you are doing this, अपने को milk का products तो है, अभी milk कितना utilize होता है you never know. पूरा का पूरा milk नहीं utilize हुआ तो क्या करेंगे, फेंकेंगे? No, they have to use that particular leftover milk, ना? What they will do? Either they'll make it curd, or they make paneer, or they make cheese, or they make prepare mawa and keep it, or they prepare ghee out of it. All these are products of the milk only, which are useful for us. आज नहीं कल नहीं परसों काम में तो आएगा अपने को. Instead of wasting it, throwing it, so they utilizing it. नहीं हुआ तो यूज तो क्या हो गया, यूज करने का तरीका दूसरा है उसका. चीज बनाओ, बटर बनाओ, करेक्ट हो ना? So this is how we are going to utilize it. Not only this, अगर जो अभी काऊ की जगह पे अपने को बफेलो आ गया, ऑक्स आ गया, तो उसका तो मिल्क का है ही नहीं प्रोडक्शन, तो उसका क्या फायदा? Ox and all that is necessary for us for the farming, plowing of the soil and all that. Apart from that, what for you need it? Then they started saying that why not collect the mass? We may not be eating it. Indians may not be eating beef, but there are foreign countries who eat the beef also, no? Muscle, mutton uska khate खाएगा. For that reason, it is being sold then. And that is the only reason why if you see a cow in our society, in our community, right, human society, you can say, we have females, when they give birth to a baby boy, they are very happy. Baby girl ke liye they are sad. But in the cow community, when a baby girl is being formed, when a cow is being formed, she is very happy. But if the ox is being formed, delivered, then they are very sad. They start crying because they know they have to undergo very hardships. That's why nobody likes to keep an ox. People prefer to keep cow, not the ox. That's why. So they start crying. That is a myth, like whether आजकल इतना है कि नहीं है वो भी मालूम नहीं है. Earlier time they used to have this way myths. Then we have the next unit in this, something pertaining to pisciculture. Aquatic habitat से जो भी आपको मिलता है, maybe prawns, maybe lobsters, etc. But if you are collecting all of them along with plants and animals, all different types of animals from the aquatic habitat, then it is called as aquaculture. But if you are collecting only the fishes, fresh water, marine water, estuarine, at the junction of the two, जो भी आपको मिलता है फिशेस के बारे में खाली पढ़ते हो, उसका कैनिंग, उसका प्रिजर्विंग, उसका सॉल्टिंग, उसका ड्राइंग, जो भी आप करते हो, then in that particular case we call that phenomena to be the pisciculture phenomena. Along with this you have that honeybees. Along with that you have sericulture as well as lacculture. Then you have the role of microbes. वो वापिस इसमें dairy products का वापिस आने वाला है microbes में, wherein you are using that curd and all such things for preparation of your doklas and all, batures and all. I would like to ask sir whether we can continue further or stop it here, because if I start also it will just give me 15-20 minutes more or 5 minutes more. Hello
मैम आज 2 घंटे का लेक्चर था, you can continue till 4.
2 घंटे का है आज लेक्चर?
Yes ma'am, Sanket sir informed us.
अच्छा, मेरे को इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसा नहीं. 2 घंटे
3:55 there's another lecture at 4 of a different batch, so 3:55 तक आप पढ़ा लीजिए.
3:55 तक.
Okay,
no problem. Thank you sir. So should I continue now? Can we write it down then? Then we can start writing something. I was just discussing, I said introduction should have kar do. Because time was not permitting me. Now we can do it. It's just 20 minutes a day. कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. Anyway. Do you know, along with green revolution, there are many more revolutions: white revolution, brown revolution, blue revolution, and all such things. Are you all aware about them? What all they are called? Green revolution is for the crops only. वो सब ने दे देगी लिस्ट आपको, मैंने निकाल के रखा है, नीट के लिए निकाल के रखा है, आपको दे देगी, डोंट वरी। मैंने नीट के लिए निकाला था, वो अलग बुक में है इसके लिए। Green Revolution is for the crops. The person who is responsible for this is Dr. Norman P. Borlaug. Right from 1950 to 1960, means after independence. The population was growing. So to fulfill the demand of Indian population, to fulfill the demand of food for Indian population, Green Revolution came into existence. Green Revolution came into existence because they had to fulfill the demand of the food crops. Now, what is this basically dealing with? It is dealing with plant breeding. Then comes as what are the aims of plant breeding? The first is improve in the quality. Second is improve the quantity. The third one is disease-free variety. The fourth one is early maturity. The last one is high yielding. Now I'm taking 3-4 persons over here. This is plot A, plot B, plot C, plot D. Correct? All are adjacent to each other. All are taken in the same area, same environmental conditions, everything. Agreed? 4 persons are there. Maybe 3 of you all and 1 of me. Whatever it is, 4 of us are there together. Approximately same time we have taken the plot. Same amount of investment we have done. आगे पीछे थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे ऐसा होएगा. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. Because it is in the same area we have taken. वो area का environmental conditions are also same. Soil का environmental condition is same. उधर का temperature, environment of the normal plant is also same. Means the lot and the plot which we have taken is the same one, each one of us. खाली 19-20 का कुछ फर्क होगा पैसे के बारे में. 2 दिन आगे 2 दिन पीछे या मार्केट के हिसाब से आगे पीछे थोड़ा हुआ होगा. But we have invested the same acre of land. All of us have taken 1 acre, acre से करके लिया है. Now we want to grow the crop. Supposing if we are growing the wheat crop, all of us are growing a wheat crop. All of us, wheat crop. The A is growing the wheat crop. A is getting, you can see, 150 kgs of wheat per year. 150 kgs. Correct? B is getting the wheat, which is approximately 125 kg. Whereas C is getting 110. D is, along with them, D is not getting it. D gets it, maybe 135. But either आगे या थोड़ा पीछे. Now what could be the reason? So this A is a high yielding variety, quantity wise, correct or no? High yielding है ना ये, high yielding variety है ये, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा इसमें है 150, correct? सबसे कम इसमें है low yielding. Now this person wants to come to this extent. ये investment तो same किया है, मेरे को returns भी same चाहिए ना, मेरे को कम क्यों आना चाहिए return? Normal tendency it is ना. When you and your friend are investing in a bank, putting a fixed deposit, at the same time, same bank, everything, that person is getting something a little bit extra, maybe 2-3 rupees extra, and you are getting less. You definitely will ask, what is the reason? When it is done by computers, why such an error? तो ये तो जमीन का error हो गया ना. Investment किया तो अपने को returns तो same आना चाहिए ना. Correct? तो ये क्यों हुआ ऐसा? इधर 125, इधर 150. So because this was high yielding variety. So what I told this person is telling this person, from where you collected the seeds, or which variety of seeds have you collected, and so on, so that you're getting high yield and also things. Pucha usse. Nobody will tell. You all are all from the same classes, but how much effort you are putting to gain the percentage, you all will not tell anyone. People will ask you, hey, how come you have got this much marks? We are also from the same classes, same things we referred, same books we referred. You got more marks, I got less marks. Why? किसी का IQ अच्छा रहता है, किसी ने ज्यादा मेहनत किया होगा. Maybe the person must be sitting all the entirely maybe for 20 to 22 hours to study during the examination. हो सकता है, you never know how the person has got it. उसका खुद का efforts उसने डाला होगा, साल भर उसने पढ़ा है, साल भर भी enjoy नहीं किया उसने. Well, you are the person who was studying. You might be enjoying parties, ये वो सब, इधर जाने का, movie जाने का, घूमने को जाने का, and all. So definitely फर्क पड़ता है ना. Your time is wasted, and that person has utilized each and every moment of the time. Each and every second उसने utilize किया, तो उसका benefit उसको मिला. But nobody will tell. So here also the person said, whatever is available in the market, I use the same seeds. Yeah, nothing. Have you used any type of special type of fertilizer or something? Saying no, whatever was available in the market, I use that only. Then this person is chasing this person when he's going to the market. This person chases this one when he's going to the market to check what all things he's taking and from where he's collecting. He asks this, he asks that, ये वो घुमा फिर आया, लेकिन उसको समझ में नहीं आया. The person who was chasing, supposing I was chasing anyone, I did not come to know whatever he has purchased it. I did not come to know, honestly speaking. क्योंकि उसने बहुत घुमाया, ये पूछा, ये पूछा, ये पूछा, ये पूछा, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. Ultimately इसने लिया क्या? Correct? Confusion किया. So now you are smart enough, so I will have to be double smart then. I told him, can you give me inflorescence of your plant? Just give me the inflorescence, na? One inflorescence only. He said, okay. अभी उतना तो ध्यान में नहीं है, inflorescence लेके करेगा क्या? लेकिन उसका लिया. वो मेल प्लांट का तो ऐसे भी टिप पे आता है, ऊपर ही रहता है और पहले मैच्योर हो जाता है. तो मेल प्लांट का inflorescence लेके आए, मेल inflorescence ले लिया. When I collected that male inflorescence, I dusted it on the stigma of my female flowers. I dusted over there. What happened? The pollination took place. My acre of land started giving me 140 kgs, which was a pretty good thing. अभी खाली 10 kg का फर्क था, ठीक है ना, no problem. वो भी हो जाएगा next yield में, correct? So this is how I improved my variety. अभी इसमें high yielding आ गया. This one was having disease-free variety, but it was only 110 kgs. So he wanted to increase his yield for high yielding. So what he did, he said that I'll collect it from this one only directly, the seeds or something, or the fruits and all such things, and I'll try to cultivate in my garden. That's my when he never gave me what he'll give the other person. Definitely no, he will not give the C person also. The same way C person did like me, he collected it. Now he got nearly 130 kgs with high yielding and disease free variety. तो उसका बेनिफिट हो गया अभी उसको, तो उसका मार्केट में वैल्यू था. अभी ये बेचारा पोंगा पंडित स्लोली अपना काम करते हैं. जब ये लोग सब बेचने को गए, घर पे आराम कर रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि these were producing every year. Correct? So in 2 years time, this one will produce 300, this one will be producing 265, बिकॉज सेकेंड ईयर में उसका इंक्रीज हो गया. दिस वन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग 240, whereas this one in 2 years time is producing thrice, that is 135, 135, 135. They come to 15, 105. Much more ahead than everyone. हालांकि कम में लेकिन सबसे आगे. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका अर्ली मैच्योरिटी था. सब लोग लेके आते हैं. Everyone is appearing for the exam. Everyone is bringing the notes. Everyone is bringing this. So it is of no use. All of a sudden, somebody is bringing something new in the market. It is having a value. ये लोग का क्या है? बिकेगा नहीं बिकेगा गारंटी नहीं है. वो लोग अपना डिमांड नहीं कर सकते भाव. Then 3 of us ABC are going. We cannot demand. कि भाई I want this much per kg के लिए. I cannot demand the price because everyone is bringing at the same time. Not only ABC, there are many more people who bring it in the market. तो सबका एक वही टाइम पे आता है. फसल उगता है तो वही टाइम पे निकलता है ना सबका. तो वो लोग को अपना प्राइस वो लोग कोट ही नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो जो लेने वाले हैं आगे सामने दुकानदार वो बोलेगा तुमको देने का तो दो, नहीं तो मैं दूसरे से ले सकता हूँ. मेरे को इससे भाव में मिलता है, यही भाव में मिलता है दूसरे जगह. तो व्हाई शुड आई परचेस फर्स्टली फ्रॉम यू? तो डेफिनेटली यू नो गोइंग टू परचेस. बट दिस फेलो इज कमिंग ऑफ सीजन. तो ऑफ सीजन में दिस पर्सन इज डिमांडिंग हिज ओन प्राइस फ्रेश वाला. You know that during winter season, अभी जो आएगा दिवाली के बाद में winter season आएगा, उधर आपको green peas कितना मिलता है मार्केट का ठेला भरे करके हाथ गाड़ी पे भी लेके आते हैं वो लोग, and you get it for 20 rupees, 30 rupees per kg and all such things. But right now you are getting the green peas. You get with the vegetable vendors the green peas. What is the cost? Maybe 100 rupees. Why? Because it is off season and they can demand. क्योंकि green peas fresh वाला खाने को अच्छा लगता है ना. Correct or no? So accordingly here it's early maturity. Off season है. Off season का खुद का अपना डिमांड है. अभी ये off season वाला भी बोलता है अगर जो मेरा भी हाई एंड हो जाता था, मेरा भी अर्ली ये अपना ये होता था, डिजीज फ्री रहता था, तो मार्केट में और भी मेरा वैल्यू बढ़ जाता था. तो उसको और इम्प्रूव करने का है. तो ये 135 का ये 150 करेगा, 155 करेगा, 155, 155, 155. सपोज 3 टाइम हो गया तो कितना हो गया उसका यील्ड? तो ही इज अर्निंग मैक्सिमम फ्रॉम हिज एकड़ ऑफ लैंड. उसने इन्वेस्टमेंट जितना किया उसे उसको रिटर्न ज्यादा मिल रहा है. करेक्ट हो नो? दिस इज हाउ वी आर इम्प्रूविंग द वैरायटी स्टोरी एंड स्टडी. अभी ये मैंने डे टू डे एग्जांपल के हिसाब से बताया. एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इनसाइड इट? द स्टेप्स इनसाइड इट आर आइसोलेशन, सिलेक्शन, आइसोलेशन, hybridization, emasculation. Then in that emasculation you are bagging, you are tagging, because this entire phenomena goes as hybridization. ये सब हम लोग जब करते हैं, जब भी हम लोग को variety of seed मिलता है, that seed when you are sowing, you are seeing the characters what are available in that or visible in that. Accordingly, you are studying it further. Correct? So let's see how it is now. For plant breeding, selection, isolation, okay. When you are coming to the classes, going towards college or going towards home bank, you might be seeing certain times some unique varieties of some flowers which you all must have never seen in the past. Maybe a type of a shape of a leaf you are seeing it, and you will register that area where you are seeing it. You will keep it in your mind. While returning, अभी तो घाई में जाने का है मुझे, कॉलेज पहुंचना है, लेक्चर्स है, क्लासेस पहुंचना है, लेक्चर्स है इसके लिए. But when you are returning back, when you are relaxed, अभी 5 मिनट घर पे लेट भी पहुंचेंगे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, घर पे ही जा रहे हैं ना. तो on your way towards home, you will come across that same thing once again. आपने वो पूरा चीज दुनिया में जो भी चीजें था वो सब अपने दिमाग में रखा था, लेकिन एक चीज हटके रखा था क्योंकि यह मेरे को रिटर्न होने के टाइम पे देखने का है. जैसे when you are going out somewhere, you are seeing window shopping में, you are seeing so many things, but you are keeping one particular thing in your mind. Maybe ये मेरी चीज यूनिक है, मेरे को लेने की है. सबसे आइसोलेट करके रखा उसको. सिलेक्शन तो हो गया था, ये सब देखा दिख रहा है करके, लेकिन एक चीज को आपने जो हटके थी एकदम you can say you cannot leave it, or that particular thing is continuously coming in front of your eyes. I had seen this, I want to go and see it again, whether it is there, where it is exactly, locate its position, what time I had seen it, when I was coming towards college or when I was coming towards the classes, that time I had seen. So when I return from the classes, I have to see that once again, whether it is there or not. It was unique thing, very unique thing it was. So I have selected, I have isolated it. I saw second time. Now I keep it in mind only. This particular thing is seen or observed at this area only. So I isolated it. After isolating it, I'm going to do the emasculation technique. That is the plant breeders are doing it. What they will do, they will remove the anthers from a bisexual flower. I'm a bisexual flower. I have the anthers as well as the gynoecium part, androecium as well as gynoecium. From me, the anthers will be removed and I am made unisexual. And when my anthers are removed, the anthers are removed before the pollen formation of the pollen grains. यानी कि meiosis वगैरह नहीं हुआ तो उसके पहले ही immature anthers को निकाल दिया. Correct? अभी वो anthers निकाल दिया, a bisexual flower is made unisexual now. That phenomena you call it as emasculation. Now emasculation means what? Removal of, just I had explained you even while doing Mendel's law. Removal of anthers before formation of pollen grains. Then now the anthers have been removed. Then they're not going to keep this flower as it is. What we do is we cover that flower by means of polythene bag. A polythene bag which is porous is used to cover the emasculated flower. Then when the stigma is matured, then whatever the desired pollen grains I wanted, for here you all had seen the acre of land पे 150 kgs का या disease free variety का या early maturity का वो flower डालने का. 150 वाला भी early maturity करना चाहेगा ना, और टाइम पे 150 3 बार बेचेगा तो मार्केट में वैल्यू कितना मिलेगा उसको, फायदा होएगा ना, तो वो भी ऐसे ही सोचेगा. Everyone is going to do the same thing, don't worry. So tagging. तो जो भी फ्लावर था जिसको मेरे को इमैस्कुलेट करने का था, उसके ऊपर the female flower, if it is matured, then I will deposit the desired pollen grain, early maturity का या maybe disease free variety का pollen grain, वो polythene bag हटा के वो उसके ऊपर dust करूँगी. Once it is dusted, again I place a polythene bag. Correct? When it is placed, again I place a polythene bag. After placing it, I am going to tag it, the date of emasculation, the male parent, उसका character जो आपने लिया है, हाँ, the female parent character, the date of pollination, ये सब आपने उसके ऊपर टैग लगाया. जैसे आपका कोई ड्रेस मटेरियल है उसके ऊपर प्राइस टैग लगा था ना, वैसे इसके ऊपर मैंने टैग लगा दिया. This tag in turn will show me the date of emasculation when it was done, which is the male parent, कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपने मेल का लिया, कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपने फीमेल का लिया है, and then which date exactly the pollination had taken place. After that, whatever the seeds are coming, I will be doing it. ऐसे continuously we go on doing it for the improvement of the crop plants. We go on doing it continuously. आज भी चालू है, कुछ ना कुछ research चालू ही रहता है for doing the increasing the yield of the crop plants. This is the one part of the plant breeding, that is selection, isolation, emasculation, bagging, and tagging. Now, when we are doing selection, the selection is of two different parts. Either it is a pure line selection or it is a mass selection. What do I mean by pure line selection? Pure line selection means 7 generations it will be showing the same characters repeatedly. So it is a pure line selection. What is mass selection? At random. Like how you'll get it in the market. Sprouts, sometimes you get all mixed sprouts together. Chana, chauli, moong, लाल माट, ये वो सब मिक्स करके वो स्प्राउट्स देते हैं. वो उठा के अपने डाल दो फील्ड में, जो क्लाउड लैंड है ना उसमें डाल दो, तो आपको सब प्लांट्स मिलेगा ना. चना का भी प्लांट मिलेगा, मूंग का भी मिलेगा, माट का भी मिलेगा, चौली का भी मिलेगा, सब प्लांट्स उगेगा. करेक्ट हो ना? मीन्स इट इज अ मास सिलेक्शन यू हैव डन इट. Whereas pure line selection is, it is showing pure character either of this high yielding variety or it is disease free variety, whatever it is, we are doing it in mass selection. Selection itself is different types. One is pure line selection. And the other one is mass selection. Then after selecting it, you have to isolate it. कोई चीज आपको collect करने की है. You have to isolate it. What character you need. Whether it was the shape of the flower which you are interested, whether it was the yield which you are interested in, whether it was the quality of the wheat grain which you are interested in, whether it was the quantity you are interested, whether it was disease-free variety, whether it was means you are isolating it. Correct? That means in turn, we are doing the phenomena of isolation. Isolating the character. What all things you are trying to implement into it. This is all pertaining to the first part of the plant breeding. After this, doing that emasculation, tagging, whatever I get, in turn will be called as a hybrid variety. Hybrid variety. जो भी इसके offspring मिले मुझे, जो भी seeds मिले, fruits में बने, seeds मिले, जो भी मिला, in turn is said to be the hybrid variety because it will be intermediate between the two. Further, it has to be again undergoing self-pollination. Again, it will undergo self-pollination. Then it will become pure line. But till now, it is hybrid variety because it's showing the characters of both of them. Immediately, मैंने किया तो मेरे को 135 में से 150 तो आने वाला नहीं है immediately. Don't worry, 150 नहीं आएगा. It will not come to that level. So it has to go gradually to increase. Then it becomes a pure line selection. Now, whenever I'm bringing a new variety of the plant in the new area, definitely the plant has to adjust. Like for example, if you go to Mysore garden, you have beautiful tea garden, beautiful flowers and all that. You are thinking of planting some flowers in your own balcony and all that. Cultivation करना है, वहाँ से लेके भी आते हो, taking ample amount of care while traveling also, correct? And वहाँ से लेके आके इधर आप अपने balcony में लगाते हो, सब करते हो, सब देख रेख करते हो, सब कुछ करते हो. If the plant is surviving, giving you flowers, fruits and all such things, yes, you are very happy. But supposing if it is not able to adjust with the environmental conditions over here, then what? Then the plant is dying off, withering off, वो सड़ जाएगा, मर जाएगा. So the basic phenomena, a new variety which is going to a new region or a new area has to get adjusted, and that adjustment we call it as acclimatization. Like for example, when you are small, 1 year, 2 years old and all such thing, mama has to go somewhere in emergency. So she will keep you with the neighbors, at the neighbor's house. Please take care of my child. Na? आपका टिफिन वगैरह सब बना के रखेगी, but she tells them to take care of you. Correct? या baby sitters है, उधर रखते हैं वो लोग. Now, as you grow older, 4 years and all such thing, तभी थोड़ा समझने को आता है कि भाई कौन क्या करता है, कौन क्या करता है. अभी बच्चे थे, उसने मारा पीटा, आंटी ने कुछ भी किया, हम लोग को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Immediately आंटी ने अपने को चॉकलेट दिया, अपन वापस सेम हो गए. लेकिन when I grow older, I'm not able to accept it. I will say no, mama, that auntie is close. I'll sit in my own house. You go wherever you want. I'll say not open the door to anyone. If you want, you can put the lock from outside and go. No problem. Means what? I am not able to adjust with the new atmosphere. It's not only me. It is that person who also behaves in such a form. That's the reason I'm not able to adjust. No? Hamesha, she is eating me instead of her child. She's always giving me stale food instead of her child also sharing with me. So all these things are taken into consideration when we grow older. So adjustment becomes very difficult. And when we are small, we are very fast in adjusting. So acclimatization is the same phenomena. When I take the twig and bring it to Bombay from Mysore, whether it is surviving here in this environmental condition or no, I am not sure about it. Survive ho gaya? So yes, very good enough. Survive nahi hua? So my dear, it is a false. It is a flop show, you can say. So this phenomena you have to consider further. In the next lecture, we'll be doing it. I think now the time is up for you all. I cannot start. Sanket sir, is it over or yet we can continue?
Ma'am, I think we can end it now.
We'll end it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.